back to my channel. Before I proceed to my tutorial presentation, let me start with introduce myself first. Alright, my name is Izzati. My metric card number is 01DDP20F1082 and I'm from class EDP1C. Okay, today I want to share with you how to create two networks from one connection. For this topic, there are two methods used to complete the process, that is using by hotspot and two routers. But for the tutorial, I choose to share with you how to create two networks from one connection using hotspot. Now let's do it. Alright, for the first step, you need to press Windows key. This is not fun, but let's say some people do not know what and press the Windows key. Don't worry, I can show about it. This is the icon of Windows key, and the position of Windows key be located on the bottom left side of most keyboard. Okay, the Windows key is pressed to start the process. Okay, now we proceed to the second step. After you press the Windows key, you need to open Settings. This is the icon of settings. Press the setting. The setting be located by either searching for settings in a search bar or clicking the settings icon on the bottom left corner. So, the settings is open to perform the detail. Let me see what's happening. Yes, it is what you can get after you click the setting. So, for this step, you choose network. It is very easy to search it because the networks like below. So, the network up. Click to continue to the nearest step to the solution. The first step, you need to locate and open mobile hotspot. Why the mobile hotspot? It is because the tutorial need you to use hotspot. Now, search where the mobile hotspot and open it. For those who use Windows 10, the position of the mobile hotspot is above data usage. Afterwards, the mobile hotspot is open to do to the next. For the fifth step, change the network name and password. For this step, you just click Edit button and choose the network name and password of your liking. The network name and password are changed to ready the last. For the last step, turn on mobile hotspot, not in your phone, but in your laptop or PC. Turn on mobile hotspot if it is not already on. Now, the tutorial is done. Okay guys, how about the tutorial? It is easy, right? I hope you can understand my tutorial and try it in your laptop or PC. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.